Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing the GP680 modular gaming controller, PC, PS3, Android, and probably a lot of others. This looks like a really nice do-it-yourself controller. So I have read that it works with the Raspberry Pis, you know, if you customize it, and a lot of other different systems. On the back, I think it even shows some other specs. You can pause the video if you want to read that. But I'm very curious on how the style is. So they also give you a CD and a manual. Okay. Fits nice in your hand. These are the controls and what they look like. You got select, start, home, X, square, triangle, circle. You got your trigger buttons up here. Now it is wired, and you can plug this into your USB port. Overall, it's pretty nice style. We're going to probably hook this up to a Raspberry Pi, do a custom setup here. So we'll be doing a video on that in the future, but overall, it's nice. It handles really nice. You know, it's not big and bulky. All the buttons are easy to press and get to. Analog works. Very responsive. Overall, it's a really nice controller.